Lady Londi, I see you've put up a post about me. You are saying that how did I go from saying I knew Mrs. Zulu would become king in Zululand and now stating that he's actually a gay man? No, I had no issues. Okay, I had no issues with Mrs. Zulu being being a gay man. Okay, I'm not homophobic. In case you're not aware of that, I think you think I'm typical Zulu and homophobic. No, I'm not. Listen, I've had a gay doctor, I've had a gay lawyer, and I've worked for the largest gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender organization in the world, in America, possibly in the world. So I had no issues. I met Mrs. Zulu here. When I first met Mrs. Zulu here, he was using a cousin as cover. Okay? Their mothers are sisters from the royal family of Swaziland. Okay? He brought this woman, introduced her to me as his girlfriend. Okay? Later on, I found out it was a cover. They were cousins. Mrs. Zulu was dating his cousin. Both of them. Cousins. Okay? Mrs. Zulu was using her as cover to show people that he dates women. But it was just a cover. Mrs. Zulu is a gay man. Okay? I did not know at the time. And Mrs. Zulu was very humble, very respectful, did not even drink at the time. Mrs. Zulu would beg me to take him to Washington, D.C. to get his weed. He smoked weed, but he didn't drink alcohol. He would watch us and look very, very sad drinking alcohol. Okay? And I asked him, Mrs. Zulu told me, he said, hey, angithanzi lutshwala, meaning ngithanda sihlahla, meaning he likes weed. That's how he gets his high. He does not like this alcohol. He did. That's before he had a puzzer face like he has today. I can tell that he drinks today. Okay? Mrs. Zulu never used to drink and used to sit around with his cousin as cover that he was dating her. But really, Mrs. Zulu was a gay man. He is a gay man. Still a gay man today. So I have no issues. I continue to support Mrs. Zulu for the kingship even after I found out he was gay. I did not say anything about it. I wanted him to become king because you understand the way I've been exposed in America. I understand that there's nothing wrong with gayness, or being gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender. I worked for the largest gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender organization in the world, the Human Rights Campaign. I have gay friends. It's normal, everyday people to me. I had a gay doctor, okay? I even had a gay lawyer who represented me in court, okay? So it's normal in the United States now because we've worked so hard to change the United States society, to embrace and accept gay, lesbian, bisexual, transgender. We are a progressive society, okay? We even convinced the religious community that was hostile to gay folks. And they came back to apologize, including the Pope. The problem is that you are still homophobic in South Africa. You think that you cannot have a gay king. Mrs. Zulu is gay, and it's fine for him to be a gay king and have men partners. Why are you forcing and piling up women on top of him? No, I did not out Mrs. Zulu. A lot of people have presented the story, including his brothers and sisters, who know that Mrs. Zulu is gay. So don't say I outed Mrs. Zulu. I did not out Mrs. Zulu. His family outed him. So I have no issues with Mrs. Zulu being gay. Okay? I have issues with him being with King Mswati III and following in his footsteps. Piling up this woman, knowing full well he's not into women, he's into men. So, Lady Londi, I'm answering your question. I have no issues, even today, if Mrs. Zulu continues to being king, I have no issues with it. But I have issues with him lying to women, pretending that he loves women when he knows full well he's into men. That is what I have issues with Mrs. Zulu. And the fact that he's extravagant like King Mswati and he's not going to be fighting for the people of Zululand. and he's not speaking up on issues that he should speak up on, like the killing of Swazis in Zululand, when we are one people. We're cousins, the Zulus and Swazis. Misizulu is quiet as a church mouse. And the fact that it disrespects adults, like Ukachap Teles. And I have not seen him around Zuma. Now, pretty much all the elders of the Zulu nation, Misizulu is disrespectful, okay? I have no issues with Misizulu, and I'm not jealous of him, you know. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.